Good morning students. In this video we are going to see about congruences and problems based on it. So in this first let us see the definition of congruence modulo m. Let m be a positive integer, then an integer a is congruent to an integer b modulo m if m is a divisor of a minus b, that is a is concurrently equal to b mod m. Here m is the modulus of the concurrence relation. In case if a is not concurrent to b modulo m, then a is n concurrent to b modulo m. So then we can write in notation wise this can be a is not concurrently equal to b mod m. Now let us see one problem based on this congruences. Find the remainder when 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus etc. 100 factorial is divided by 15. Already we proved one theorem which state that when k is greater than or equal to 5, then k factorial is concurrently equal to 0 mod 15. Using this theorem statement, here we can prove that 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus etc. plus 100 factorial is concurrently equal to 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. Here now use that theorem statement. When k is greater than or equal to 5, then 5 factorial and etc. is concurrently equal to 0 mod 15. So 5 factorial is concurrently equal to 0 mod 15, 6 factorial is concurrently equal to 0 mod 15, etc. Remaining all this takes 0 value mod 15. So which is concurrently equal to 1 plus 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 2 into 3 6 plus 4 factorial value is 24 mod 15. Now add these two things, you will get 30 mod 15. When we divide 30 by 15, 2 times of 15 is 30, so remainder is 0. Therefore, this number is concurrently equal to 1 plus 2 plus 0 mod 15, which is concurrently equal to 3 mod 15. Therefore, the remainder is 3. Find the remainder when 3 power 2 47 is divided by 17. To reach 3 power 2 47, first let me start with 3 cube. So 3 cube value is here, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. When we divide 27 by 17, we get remainder as 10. So this 27 can be written as 27 is concurrently equal to 10 mod 17. Next, 3 cube square, 3 cube the whole square. 3 cube is concurrently equal to 10 mod 17 means 3 cube squared is concurrently equal to 10 squared mod 17. 10 squared value is 100. So when you divide 100 by 17, 6 17s are 102. When we subtract 102 from 100, you will get minus 2 as a remainder. So this 3 cube squared, that is 3 power 6 is concurrently equal to minus 2 mod 17. Next we find out 3 power 6 the whole power 4, which may be written as 3 power 6 is concurrently equal to minus 2 mod 17 means 3 power 6 the whole power 4 can be written as minus 2 power 4 mod 17. That is 3 power 6 the whole power 4 is nothing but 3 power 24, which is concurrently equal to minus 2 power 4 minus 2 power 4 is 16. Yeah. When we divide 16 by 17, we'll get 1/17s are 17. When we subtract 17 from 16, we'll get minus 1 is a remainder. So 3 power 24 is concurrently equal to minus 1 mod 17. So 3 power 24 the whole power 10 can be written as minus 1 power 10 mod 17. Minus 1 power 10 is concurrently equal to 1 mod 17. Okay, now they asked to find out 3 power 247. Find the remainder when 3 power 247 is divided by 17. So here this 3 power 247 can be written as 3 power 24 the whole power 10 into 3 power 7. That is 3 power 240 into 3 power 7. This 3 power 7 can be written as 3 power 6 into 3. So 3 power 247 can be written as 3 power 247 is concurrently equal to 3 power 240 value is 1. 3 power 6 value is equal to minus 2 into 3 mod 17. That is 1 into minus 2 into 3, which is minus 6 mod 17. Concurrently equal to 6 minus 6 mod 17. So when you divide minus 6 by 17, get 1/17s are 17 minus 1. So the remainder is plus 11. So which may be rewritten as 11 mod 17. Hence the remainder is 11. Next problem. Find the remainder when 16 power 53 is divided by 7. When we divide 16 by 7, we will get 2 as your remainder. So 16 can be written as 16 is concurrently equal to 2 mod 7. So when 16 power 53 is concurrently equal to 2 power 53 mod 7. So you have to first find out what is the value of 2 power 53. For that first we start with 2 cube. So 2 cube equal to 8. When you divide 8 by 7, we will get 1 as a remainder. So 2 cube is concurrently equal to 1 mod 7. Next 2 cube power 17. That is 2 cube power 17 means 1 power 17 into mod 7. So 2 cube power 17 is nothing but 2 power 51 is equal, concurrently equal to 1 mod 7. So this 2 power 53 can be written as 2 power 51 into 2 square. So 2 power 51 value is here 1, 2 squared is 4. So this 16 power 53 is concurrently equal to 2 power 53, which is nothing but 4 mod 7. So here the remainder is 4.